Wild times.
But I do appreciate those that can do it. And on that topic, actually, of appreciating those that can log these things, because this is for the brosteners, I want to show them all your incessant text messaging that took place this morning. So I don't know if people can see this. This is all Peter sending me clips and links from you lunatics on the iNaturalist site. So for those that don't know, if you're in the Discord, or not Discord, what is this thing? Patreon.
Discord, yeah.
Whatever. We have a Wild Times iNaturalist going on, and Peter, who seems to think that I'm not familiar with iNaturalist, had to text me every screenshot of every page on the iNaturalist site. But the thing that stood out the most to me, and Peter, maybe you can pull this up, is the map of brosteners that have already weighed in with iNaturalist sightings from around the world. And I think this is so cool that we have this Wild Times iNaturalist page, and we've hit like everywhere. There's South Africa, there's Mozambique, there's Australia, there's a bunch of South America, there's Central America, Venezuela, Colombia, Mexico, the United States, Canada. I mean, you people are crazy. Like, where are you guys coming from? How did you find us? And why are you iNaturaling us? It's so good. I love it.
What kind of stuff are they seeing?
So
man,
Peter's
look at that moth.
pulling it up right now. We've got Impala from South Africa. We've got some newts in there. What else do we have there?
Polyphemus moth.
So let me give you a little background on this. Drew Bra, who's Drew Bra. He's been with us literally since like 2 years ago, day one.
Yep, love that.
Him, Daniel Cool, he's one of that group who's been there. He hit me up and he's like, "Hey man, like this would be really cool to set up a group for this page and get this going." I had no idea what it was, so of course I'm texting. I'm like, "Forrest, this is amazing! Like, look at this shit! Like, he wants to set it up and do this and then
look at the baby snapping turtle. Send me that baby snapping turtle, sir."
Which one is it?
That one. Okay. Yeah. I don't know.
The river cooter? Oh, the common snapping turtle.
No, I love snapping turtles. They're illegal in California, so don't send it to me.
So this is Drew. Drew's find right here. This is Drew Cain's. But it's amazing, dude. So I had no idea. This is just an idea. I've never seen this site. And now, like 2 days later, I put it in the Discord, and Drew did a thing. We got a channel in there.
Amazing.
You can talk about all this stuff. And now I go on here. There's 938 observations worldwide already. And I'm like super excited because of all these fucking pictures. And like, I know these people who are putting these up here because they're part of the brommunity and Patreons and everything, man. And it's just like, it's crazy to think that, again, back to the thing, from all over the world.
I mean,
all over the world.
Has Matt McHugh started posting pictures of his dumpster possums that are in his backyard yet?
No, but he will once he sees this podcast. This one I saw was pretty cool. I was like, oh, so I know from you guys that this is a predator because it has the eye shine and forward-facing ears. I thought that to myself.
Definitely assumed that was Daniel Cool coming in from Australia, but it's not. It's James Rumming posting something. That's pretty neat.
Brushtail possum. So this is an Australian possum.
What did we get in South Africa? Go to the map. See what we got in South Africa.
Map on that page. Let me see here.
By the way, you brosteners are making us jealous because we're sitting in our offices early in the morning, and you guys are out there iNaturaling badass animals from around the world.
I know.
Somebody's got a baby common snapping turtle, an animal I've always wanted to keep and watch it shred goldfish in my tank, but can't because I live in California.
Where do you want me to go, Pat?
South Africa. It's the thing that looks like Africa. It's the bottom part. Is the South.
Shut your butt. I don't know how to work
Shut your butt.
There's also, I'm sure... Oh, go ahead.
Speaking of shut your butt, have you guys watched the MacGruber series on Hulu?
No, I meant to, and I love the MacGruber movie.
It is hilarious. It's 10 hours of the MacGruber movie. It is so fun.
Fantastic.
So good. Yeah.
I didn't know it was out yet. I remember seeing them advertise it. I'm actually looking it up right now.
Here we go. This is cool. Learning how to use this website right now.
All right, so we got some rainbow skinks. We got some mongoose.
Here. Dude, this is fucking awesome.
This site is designed very well, by the way.
You just said, like, we're going to get you nuts about animals. This did it. I am in, man. I'm done with this podcast. I'm going on an adventure.
Look at that Cape wild dog. That's kind of fun.
Yeah, wild dogs are incredible. One of my favorite animals.
Rafatosi,
So who is this? Who do we have?
Rafatosi.
Rafatosi.
Yeah,
okay.
I'm not sure. I don't know who this is. You know, it'd be sweet if they could link their Discord ID or something. But let us know if any. Dude, this could be like a cool little segment we do where we kind of like pick out some awesome things.
Oh, dude, let's do this. Let's start a thing for the iNaturalist where we like once a month we go through and we pick our best sighting and they get like a free merch or something.
Oh, there you go.
100%. That'd be awesome. Awesome.
Is this a bonus pod? Because I feel like we're getting into some
is.
really good stuff that not just the I don't know. Where does this live? Discord. No.
Well, we'll put this on YouTube. Let's clip this out.
Okay, because this is
sweet.
important. We want people to be jumping on this iNaturalist thing. This is great.
Dude, South Africa has some large, amazing animals. Huh, Forrest?
That's
I got
correct,
to visit.
Peter. I know you're
This is-
unfamiliar with
Oh, look at that baboon
continents.
trying to get up inside that truck.
By the
If you
way,
s-
this is not a baboon. This is a skinwalker, obviously, dude.
If you send that to BTG, he's just going to break down in shivering nervous wreckness.
Dude,
Why?
this thing is fucking
He
terrifying.
hates baboons. He's so scared of baboons.
It's
Okay.
terrifying.
And here's one trying to get into a Mitsubishi.
Bro.
By the way, it's definitely smart enough to use the handle.
Yeah. Oh yeah. No question.
It can even pick the lock, I've heard.
Yeah, they have lock-picking kits that they
Let's go see what's in South America, because Antonio, I have to imagine it's Org Wild Antonio that's uploading
is.
from South America.
Oh, yeah.
You typed in North America, dum-dum.
Are you out of your fucking mind?
Yeah,
It
I
says
am.
South
Sorry, I
America.
thought it said North. It's a very small screen.
Forrest, can you just
Yes.
read what this says?
No, I'm not
In
capable of
English?
reading.
No bickering. No
All right,
bickering
let's go.
today.
Let's
It's
go.
too
What
early.
else do we have? What else do we have? Let's see. Got some birds. We
Got some
eggs,
lichen.
we
Ooh,
got
gotta see a
tegu.
little reptile eye at the bottom there.
That's the tegu. Yeah, they're very cool.
Oh, dude.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. You guys that don't live in Africa just don't get it. There's so much more cool animals there. Whoa,
Wow.
big dead humpback whale on the beach. That's an observation.
Oh, click on that.
That's
Yuck.
Rafatosi again?
Wait, he's now in South America? What is this guy doing for a living?
So from my understanding, there a lot of the brosteners are already on iNaturalist, obviously.
Yeah, it's backlog stuff.
And yeah, they've put their stuff into our group, which is amazing because it's going to help it grow. So
Cool. This is awesome. I like this. I've never been on this site. I'm definitely logging in.
Nice.
dude, there's something about the fact that it's just like from our community too, like a whole different way of connecting with them and each other and everything.
I like that it's a good mix, too, that people are giving some love to the insects.
Totally. Well, that's all I'll be posting. Bees, maybe a hummingbird.
You can't water down our iNatch site, dude.
That's right.
Someone got a capybara in the wild? That's fun. Who's that?
Nice.
I like that. Capybara are pretty cool. I know they're very common, but
I don't know if you know this, but there are like capybara cult followings. There are a bunch of capybara social media pages where they're just like memes of capybaras doing hilarious looking things. It's like a thing in Japan. There's like a capybara cafe where you like cat cafe, but it's just capybaras. I think it's Japan. There's like a cult following with these things.
I'd like to speak to Japan in my office.
Yeah.
It's just funny. Anytime there's something just really fun and interesting. By the way, have you guys been to Japan?
Wild times.
So if you want more behind the scenes stuff that we cannot show on YouTube, Darwin Awards, video breakdowns and reviews, check out the Patreon. It's full of hours and hours of incredible exclusive content, stuff that you guys are gonna love. Swipe up, click the link, do the thing, come and hang out on Patreon. See you guys there.